4, Quarter 4, Week 7. The Sun. Matatag Curriculum, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa, with me, Teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about the sun. Here are the possible objectives for today's lesson. Number 1. Describe some of the overall characteristics of the sun, such as its composition, size, and the main energy it radiates. Number 2. Identify the sun's layers and characteristics. And number 3. Recognize the importance of the sun to living things for everyday life. Short review to be guided by your actual teacher. Lesson purpose to be guided by our actual teacher. Unlocking content area vocabulary to be guided by your actual teacher. Let us now learn some important words in unlocking content area vocabulary. Number 1. Photosphere, the surface of the sun. Number 2. Corona, the outermost layer of the sun, which is made up of hot gases that are lighter than those in the chromosphere. Number 3. Chromosphere, a thin layer of plasma that lies between the sun's visible surface, or also known as the photosphere, and the corona, or also known as the sun's upper atmosphere. First lesson, significance of studying the sun. Explicitation, a punch to sun. Can you describe what do you see? If the sun is a ball of burning gases, why do scientists still keep on sending astronauts to study the sun closely? Work example, to be guided by your actual teacher. Lesson activity Together, let us read part of an article excerpted from an online source entitled, "Why it is important to know more about the Sun." Studying the Sun, which is the largest object in the solar system and the nearest star to Earth, can help scientists understand more about other stars in the Milky Way galaxy and other stellar objects in the other galaxies. A multitude of eruptive phenomena occur in the Sun. While the Sun is the source of energy for all life forms, the release of excessive energy towards Earth results in disturbances in the near-Earth space environment. For instance, these disturbances disrupt communication systems and damage spacecraft. Also, astronauts are sometimes in danger of being exposed to explosive solar phenomena. Therefore, understanding solar dynamics will allow scientists to devise systems that will ensure early warning of eruptive events. Inside the 4.5 billion-year-old star, nuclear fusion reactions occur. Aditya L1, a coronagraphy spacecraft for studying the solar atmosphere, which is designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organization, findings may help scientists understand these reactions better and how they power the Sun. The temperature of the central region of the Sun, or the core, is about 15 million degrees Celsius, and that of the photosphere is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Aditya L1 will also study the reasons behind this difference in temperature. Thermal and magnetic phenomena keep occurring inside the Sun, and hence, the star serves as the perfect natural laboratory to understand certain occurrences that cannot be explained in the laboratory. This information is based on this source or link. Interesting fact: the Sun is enormous. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers or 864,000 miles. To put that in perspective, you could fit about 109 Earths across the Sun's diameter. Its volume is so vast that it could hold over 1.3 million Earths inside it. Second lesson: Sun's layers and characteristics. Explicitation: to be guided by your actual teacher. Inner layer of the Sun. We have core, radiative zone, and convective zone. Let's proceed first to number 1, core. It is the hottest layer of the Sun. Its temperature increases with depth. Number 2, radiative zone. It is found between the core and the convective zone. Once the energy is produced in the core, it travels outward through this layer. Number 3, convective zone. It is the sun's layer where gases expand and rise. As these gases get higher, they lose some of their heat, cool down, and sink back at the center. Let us see the inner layer of the sun in a different picture. This is the core, radiative zone, and the convective zone. Let us now proceed to the outer layers of the sun. Going back to the picture a while ago, this is the photosphere. This is the chromosphere. And this is corona. Again, outer layers of the sun. Corona, chromosphere, and photosphere. Let us first discuss number 1, photosphere. It is the reddish disk where the light that we see from the sun comes from. Number 2, chromosphere. It is a reddish, brilliant layer. This part is made up of hot gases that make its irregular shape. Number 3, corona or crown. It is a wide but pale ring surrounding the sun and is the outermost layer of the sun. It is only visible on Earth during a total eclipse. The most abundant gases in the sun are hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen makes up about 74% of the sun's mass, while helium accounts for about 24%. These two elements are crucial for the nuclear fusion process that powers the sun. Work example to be guided by your actual teacher. Lesson activity. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the inner layers of the sun? Great! The inner layers of the sun are the core, radiative zone, and the convective zone. Number 2. What are the outer parts of the sun? Good job! The outer parts of the sun are the photosphere, chromosphere, and the corona. Number 3. Can you describe each layer of the sun? Good job! Core is the hottest layer of the sun. Its temperature increases with depth. Radiative zone is found between the core and the convection zone. Once the energy is produced in the core, it travels outward through this layer. Convection zone
or convective zone
is the sun's layer where gases expand and rise. As these gases get higher, they lose some of their heat, cool down, and sink back at the center. The photosphere is the reddish disk where the light that we see from the sun comes from. The chromosphere is a reddish, brilliant layer. This part is made up of hot gases that make its irregular shape. The corona or crown is a wide but pale ring surrounding the sun and is the outermost layer of the sun. It is only visible on Earth during a total eclipse. Learners' takeaways. Direction. Summarize what you have learned from the different activities you had by completing the sentences and graphic organizers given below. Number 1. It is important to study the sun because Very good! It is important to study the sun because it provides light and warmth, helps plants grow through photosynthesis, influences weather patterns, aids in understanding other stars, and affects space weather, which can impact satellites and communication systems on Earth.
Number 2. The sun is important to living things because
Great! The sun is important to living things because it provides the light and warmth necessary for survival, enables plants to produce food through photosynthesis, drives weather patterns, and supports the overall balance of ecosystem on Earth. Number 3. Fill out the graphic organizers below. This is for part 1, Inner Layers of the Sun. Let us now fill out the graphic organizers. Let us first proceed to core. Its characteristic or description is, it is the hottest layer of the sun. Its temperature increases with depth. Next is radiative zone. It is found between the core and the convection zone. Next is convective zone. It is the sun's layer where gases expand and rise. Part 2. Fill out the graphic organizers for outer layers of the sun. Let us now fill out the graphic organizer. Photosphere. It is the reddish disk where the light that we see from the sun comes from. Chromosphere. It is a reddish, brilliant layer. This part is made up of hot gases that make its irregular shape. And last, corona or crown. It is a wide but pale ring surrounding the sun and is the outermost layer of the sun. Reflection on learning. Do you consider the sun important to your life? Why? Give instances when you need the sun in your life. Excellent! Yes, the sun is incredibly important to my life. It provides the light and warmth needed for daily activities and helps my body produce vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. I also rely on the sun for growing food as it enables plants to perform photosynthesis. Plus, spending time in the sunlight boosts my mood and overall well-being. Evaluating learning. Letter A or first part. Read and analyze the following questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What form or forms of energy does the sun radiate? Letter A, heat energy. Letter B, light energy. Letter C, light and heat energy. Letter D, light or heat energy. What is the correct answer? Correct! C, light and heat energy. Number 2, in which layer of the sun does the light come from? Letter A, core. Letter B, photosphere. Letter C, corona. Or letter D, convective zone. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter B, photosphere. Number 3, what are the most abundant gases in the sun? A, hydrogen and oxygen. B, carbon dioxide and helium. C, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Or D, hydrogen and helium. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter D, hydrogen and helium. Number 4, what process is involved in the generation of the sun's energy? A, nuclear fission. B, nuclear fusion. C, nuclear reaction. Or D, none. What is the correct answer? Very good! The correct answer is letter B, nuclear fusion. Number 5, what layer of the sun do we see during total solar eclipse? Letter A, corona. Letter B, prominences. Letter C, sunspot. Or letter D, solar wind. What is the correct answer? Great! The correct answer is letter A, corona. Next part of our evaluating learning will be draw and label the inner and outer layers of the sun. Once finished, please allow your actual teacher to check it. Well done, kids! Homework. This is optional, to be guided by your actual teacher. What have we learned today? Today, we learn about that studying the sun, which is the largest object in the solar system and the nearest star to Earth, can help scientists understand more about other stars in the Milky Way galaxy and about stellar objects in other galaxies. The inner layers of the sun are the core, radiative zone, and the convective zone. The outer parts of the sun are the photosphere, chromosphere, and the corona. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.